Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Sanket. You are watching Sanket's Brush, and this video is about my new add-on. I just made it this morning, and last time I made a video on save and load data. So I had an idea from that video that what if I made some nodes that automatically save and load data. So this video is about that plus some other things. So as you can see, I have made first node here, which is quit game. It basically quits the game no matter what if you press the button. And uh, these are very basic things. Every developer needs to make these things whenever he makes a new project. So yes, all of these things are like the simple things. All of these buttons and extra functions are like these things, very simple and needed things. So this is our first quit button. Just press it and game will quit. Change scene button. Press it and change scene will change to your scene path here. And if path is not right, the button will tell you that path is not right. For example, here, let me change the like this. This is our path now. And if I play the game now, you can see level not found. Button is telling you something is wrong here. After that, we have input action key editor or input action editor, I guess. Uh, so this button here does very unique thing, which is it changes the key from input action. As you can see, right now I have UI up as W key as UI up, and if I press W, it will go up. And right now, down for down, I have G key. If I press G key, it will go down. But if I press S key now it will go down pressing S key. But if I press G key, it will not go down. So that is our uh, input action editor. After that, we have our sliders, S slider and V slider. Uh, the value of these sliders will automatically get saved if I change the value, and it will get loaded after I close and open the game again, as you can see here. After that, we have our buttons. Same for this, value will get saved, and it will value will get loaded on a startup or on ready whenever we start the game. After that, we have the text edit autosaver. Sorry, I forgot to say the names here. So this is our input action key editor. I guess I changed its name. So yes, right now, for now, it is only input key editor. Okay, that is a little short name. That's good. Input key editor. After that, we have check button autosaver. Then we have checkbox autosaver. These are the same function. These are the same what do you call that scripts with different extensions. One extension come from button and one extension come from box. As you can, let me show you. As you can see, extension button, and here extension is checkbox, check button. Let me close all this mess. And after that, we have a slider and V slider, a slider autosaver, V slider autosaver. After that, we have text edit autosaver. Sorry. So as you can see, if I press, if I do something like this, by the way, you have to keep your cursor on the text, or else you won't be able to edit the text. You have to keep it on the box here, text box. So I can see the text is saved, which is nothing. Let me just change some. Let me do this add-on is made by me. Me. Oh, this one. Okay. Okay. You can see it is saved. And last year we have No, not this, sorry. After that, we have node save load data. It have only one function, that is to save data and load data. What is data? Data is this uh, variable here, which is a variant. As you can see, data is a variant, and this is data file name. Of course, if you are going to save the data, you are going to save it in the file, and that file should have name. So this is the file name test, and this is our data 123. So this is basically a little test. Uh, as you can see, this is extends node save load data, and this is a little test here, which is I'm printing data, then I'm saving the data in the file, then I'm changing the value of data. After changing the value of data, I am printing the data, and after that, I am getting the previous value of data from my file, and then after again I am printing the data, and let's say, okay, now you can see here our previous data, which is which is 123. Here you can see 123, and after changing the data, it is 456, 456, and after loading the data from file, it is again 123. So this is a very simple save and load. I made this node specifically for the data that is very different than all these uh, nodes here. I still want to make many all other nodes, like we have a lot of control nodes that I want to make here inside my extras add-on. But right now, I just want to share the my experiment here. So this is our normal icon, and you can see they just position Y, input get access, UI up, UI down. After that, we have a label, and there are some instructions here. Basically, press the button, and after a button is pressed, press any key on your keyboard to save the input key. After that, I have this normal looking uh, button here, but what is different in this button is the button is same, the normal button, as you can see, but I am using a custom function here from extra functions, or EF in short. Extra function dot uh, execute string means the string will get executed as a code in our engine. Let me show you how. So if I do here 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Oops, 2 plus 3, and let's close it, and into 5. Now 5 into 5, 25. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. And we can not only math, but we can also manipulate our engine from here, like print print something, let's say print I, and close the bracket. The answer here will be null, but if I close here and see here, you can see HI. So this is one of the extra functions. And what is the extra function? Let me show you the extra functions.gt script. So we have here save data, load data, execute data, and some other things. Maybe I'll add some other functions in this main script here after some time if I feel like it. But for now, this is our thing now. I made it this morning, and I felt like I should share this with you guys. So yes, for now, that's it for now. And I am hiding my face because you know why. So yes, goodbye and keep making games.